As the wildfire continues to burn, smoke has settled over much of Vancouver Island, prompting concerns.
I have been coughing on and off throughout the day, and especially at nighttime, depending on what I've been doing in my day.
Kind of surprised when I looked out my window today, and I just went, oh, but it's been clearing off, like usually around 11 when it was the other fire, but this one just seemed to last a little bit longer.
It was terrible this morning.
You don't usually get that.
Island Health has issued an air quality warning for the East and Inland Island. BC Wildfire says smoke is coming from the Mount Underwood fire, but is combining with smoke from the Wesley Ridge wildfire as well.
We should expect to see hopefully a reduction in smoke if we see the rain. Smoke is also not just originating from this wildfire. There's a number of sources for smoke tracking out there, but there are other sources of smoke, wildfires in the Pacific Northwest.
The city of Port Alberni and the regional district are stepping up to address the health concerns, especially for unhoused people, making resources available and opening a reception center. Those working with vulnerable people say this makes a difference, as in emergency situations, unhoused people often are left out.
We're very thankful for the opportunity to have our voice heard. We're very thankful for the opportunity to be able to speak in those environments. It means a lot that the city does care about the vulnerable population, and that I'm able to come back and tell all our friends face to face that, no, I was chatting with the mayor today and she assured us that you guys are going to be taken care of. That really means a lot, and it really puts people at ease.
But it's not just Port Alberni, with smoke reaching as far as Parksville, where on Thursday morning the annual Sandcastle Festival had to close due to air quality for the health and safety of their volunteers.
When I came here this morning, our tables and chairs and everything were covered in ash. We are right on the edge of the waterfront here, and you could not see across the bay at the trees in the buildings on the other side. It was completely smoked out.
Rain might help alleviate some air quality issues over the coming days on the Mid-Island, but smoke is expected to be persistent until the end of summer. Claire Palmer, CBC News, Port Alberni.